Everyone's been asking me lately how I make a top, so today I'm going to show you how I go from raw stock to a finished top. And there it is. Now the spindle will be pressed into the base using a drill press. Alright, everything looks nice and on point, so time to part it off. Well, here's the finished top. It has a brass base and a copper stem and a silicon nitride contact point. Its average spin time is about 3 minutes and 15 seconds. With this combination of copper and brass at this size, this is about the best spin time I can do so far. If I use lighter stems like aluminum so that the center of mass stays lower and larger bases so it's farther out, I can get more time out of some of my tops. Some of my larger ones will do up to 5 or 6 or 7 minutes. Right now this one is going to go up on eBay for about $17. I'll put a link in the description below. I still have other stuff up on Facebook. I'm trying to feel out the different markets since I'm still new to this. Eventually I'll also have an Etsy account. and I'll keep everyone updated with new projects as they come about.